The faster you blank, the faster you blank. This is a common sentence structure or a common expression in English. And today I'm going to explain that expression and give you a few different examples of how we say that. The first one is study and learn. So the faster you study, the faster you learn. The faster you study, the faster you learn. Another example is the faster you walk, the faster you arrive. Or how I would say it is, the faster you walk, the faster you get there. The faster you walk, the faster you get there. Another one is the faster you cook, the faster you eat. The faster you cook, the faster you eat. So that's just a quick and simple way to express an idea, to share your point of view all in one, one phrase or one quick expression. Another way that you can adjust this phrase is by adding the word can. The faster you verb, the faster you can verb. So that's the variation on the expression if you want to change the meaning just slightly. For example, the faster you finish your homework, the faster you can play video games. The faster you finish your homework, the faster you can play video games. Or the faster you clean your room, the faster you can go outside. These are phrases that you might say to your kids. You might say them to yourself too, but these especially are phrases that you would often say with your kids. The faster you finish your homework, the faster you can play video games. The faster you finish your homework, the faster you can play video games. Or the faster you clean your room, the faster you can go outside. And then here's one you can say to yourself. The faster you save money, the faster you can buy that thing that you want. The faster you can buy a phone or buy a TV or something like that. The faster you save money, the faster you can buy a TV. The faster you save money, the faster you can buy a car. The faster you save money, the faster you can buy a bag or whatever that thing is that you want. So the reason I'm telling you about this phrase and this expression is because it's something that I've said recently. And it's just a phrase that I used, and I thought that's something worth sharing because it's something that I say in daily conversations. So that's it for today. It's just a short video with one couplet, right? One formula for you to use. The faster you verb, the faster you verb. So the faster you make mistakes, the faster you'll learn English. So keep it up. I'll see you on the next one.